Hey everyone, this is Jeff. Just doing a video here. Once you've downloaded the content template, this is video 2 for how to take your SEO to the next level through SEMrush. What you're going to do is you're going to take your target keywords, right? And that should obviously be part of the page title. So what I like to do is I like to put it down here. SEMrush, the content creation area, also gives you some great recommendations. Down here there will be options that they suggest as far as other content that you could check in on and spy on. They'll also give you ideas for what top keywords there will be, right? And where you should consider some additional keywords. So you can check out some of the items and articles below, but you can also do, let's say, diesel exhaust tips for high quality, right? And you could do single walled, or you could do 304 stainless steel. The whole point here is it should be 55 characters, which in Word, how these get exported, all you have to do is check the word count. So if it's not there, you just go down to your let's see, over here, references, no, review, and word count. I go up to tools in a Mac, go to word count. Should be there on the regular Office. So you can see that characters with spaces is 32, meaning that I'm 23 shy of hitting 55 characters or more as a title. So if one of these work well, then I would use that. You could also use exhaust systems and talk about exhaust systems. Then you're going to go into your meta description. It's great to copy and paste this, put it in your meta description as the start, and then talk about some key aspects of an outline, right? So if we were going to outline this out, you would go into exhaust systems, right? You might go into high quality exhaust systems. What would be some key functions? It's going to be the design phase, right? B is going to be phase. B is going to be the planning phase, right? So like if the exhaust that you're buying is going to be X amount of inches longer than the current exhaust system, what the plan is for how you're going to take off enough, could be like how you're going to weld it together, what you're going to use, whatever that next step is, right? So you're going to kind of outline that, take the top items, and you'll say, high quality exhaust systems require X, right? They require you to do Y. They really thrive with you when you do this, right? And you're going to want to use diesel exhaust tips, right? More than once. So in the actual outline, where you're going to put that is a great piece as well. So this is kind of how you go through, you start figuring out, when you write one of these articles, there's some following domains that you could try and acquire backlinks. You could reach out to these companies and go through and offer them the blog that you wrote as a baseline, as long as they're going to give you a link back, right? So you're going to go to this company, you're going to ask them, hey, I've written a free blog article for you, that I wanted to collaborate with you on. I'm just looking for, high quality links, and your site came up. I'd be really honored to work with you on, this one time or an ongoing basis and write content. This is a great way to acquire links, linking back to your website, to gain followers from a website that has high credibility, and to check what backlinks make sense for what you're writing and that it all fits well. So that's kind of the basic content example of how you do this and what you're looking for as a start of an SEO article. and taking it to that next level. Like I said, you can also look at what has been written. Here's some rivals and what they've used, right? For exhaust tips, performance, high quality performance exhaust tips, right? So you can, some of them have niched down based on a specific vehicle type. So all of that kind of plays into a factor. If you're going to write multiple articles on a same type, you could do diesel exhaust tips for Cummins. You could do diesel exhaust tips for Duramax. You could go and start niching down and discuss what are the nuances and the differences, right? You could do a comparison between these. But how you tie in the keywords that are recommended here is really the key. So let me know if you have any questions in the comments below, and thanks for watching.